Understanding Registered Mail, a simple guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used term in the postal world, registered mail. Understanding this term is not just useful for postal services, but also helps in grasping the nuances of English. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning of registered mail. Registered mail refers to a postal service offered by post offices across the world. This service provides additional security and tracking for important documents and parcels. When you send something via registered mail, it's handled with extra care and its journey is closely monitored. This ensures that your mail arrives safely and securely at its destination. There are several important features that make registered mail stand out. 1. Tracking. You can track your mail's journey until it reaches its destination. 2. Proof of mailing. You receive a receipt as proof that you've sent the item. 3. Proof of delivery. The recipient signs upon delivery, providing proof that they've received it. 4. Insurance. The service often includes insurance in case of loss or damage. Registered mail is ideal for sending important items such as legal documents, confidential information, small but valuable items like jewelry. It's not typically used for everyday mail, but rather for those occasions when security and tracking are paramount. Let's compare registered mail with regular mail. Security. Regular mail is less secure, with no tracking or proof of delivery. Cost. Registered mail is more expensive due to its additional features. Speed. Delivery might take slightly longer with registered mail due to the extra handling. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped clarify what registered mail is and when to use it. Remember, when it comes to sending important items, registered mail is your go-to for security and peace of mind. See you in our next video, and happy learning!